Growing up, we've all heard our parents talk about their Provident Fund, a government-backed savings option where disciplined investing leads to long-term financial security. With a 15-year maturity period, deposits between 500 rupees to 1.5 lakh rupees per financial year, and tax benefits under Section 80C, it's no surprise many of us have started our own PPF journey. And once you start investing, keeping track of your savings becomes important. Here's how you can check your PPF balance using the HDFC Bank App. First, log into the app and tap your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Next, select My Relationships, then Accounts, and choose your PPF account to view your balance. Either way, it's simple to manage and check your PPF with HDFC Bank. Stay on top of your finances with us, subscribe to HDFC Bank, tap on the bell icon for regular updates.